all, and welcome to RDX News Bulletin with me, Rupa Gaudi. Before we go into all the stories in detail, let's have a look on top headlines. 44th International Film Festival of India was inaugurated on 20th November. State government should work towards increasing infrastructure. Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Manish Tiwari. And one more time, inspection will be done at Mapsa Padam ground on 5th December before Central Committee coming to Goa. And now the news in detail. 44th International Film Festival of India was inaugurated on 20th November at the hands of American Hollywood actress Susan Sarandon. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Manish Tiwari, Minister Milind Naik, actress Wahida Rehman, actor Kamal Hussain were also present for the inauguration. Actress Wahida Rehman was awarded by the Film Icon Award, which is initiated this year by the International Film Festival of India. RDX Bureau Report.
तो आप सभी का स्वागत है भारत के सबसे बड़े अंतर्राष्ट्रीय फिल्म महोत्सव पर। हम आप सभी का तहे दिल से अभिनंदन करते हैं।
Cinema for 2 hours. The timid and the tough, the happy and the sad, the rich and the poor are made equal in a dark room as masters paint stories with light on a white screen that creates this 12,000 feet of magic. The people behind connect with those in front of the screen, and that's where love, equality, peace, joy, pleasure.
From 75 countries with a varied mix of Indian and foreign films. The international section offers great contemporary and classic films from around the world, whereas the Indian panorama highlights the Indian section.
I arrived at 5 o'clock in the morning, so I can't say that I've seen too much yet of Goa. But I so look forward to be able to appreciate the city, and most of all to appreciate the festival. I feel sad and ashamed that as an American I've seen so few foreign films, especially when India has produced so many, and I know it has a very rich history of filmmaking.
Government of India for continuing this endeavor, great aplomb. And thank you Hassani for embarrassing me with those little secrets. There's another secret I must tell you. All that she says I knew, I have forgotten. I'll have to practice again.
मेरा प्रणाम, नमस्कार। मैं आज बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि मैं जहाँ पर ये फिल्म फेस्टिवल हो रहा है यहीं की, जहाँ गोवा से मैं हूँ।
I have to thank, and whenever I get the award, I would like to include all the people I work with, like my directors, all of my directors, writers, producers, my co-artists, makeup, hairstylist, costume designer, and everybody on the set who helped me to create performances. Without their help, I don't think I would have been here. And I really thank my fans, my relatives, my friends. I don't know what else to say. I'm really very and very honored.
State government should work towards increasing infrastructure, said Union and Information Broadcasting Minister Manish Tiwari. As the Goa is become the permanent destination for International Film Festival of India, government should not have any second thought in their mind. Yashwant Parab report from Panji.
To the 44th edition of the International Film Festival, which is scheduled to get underway today in the afternoon. I don't think there is any reason for me to really lead you through the highlights of the entire festival, because all of that has been written about, it has been talked about, it is a part of our catalogues, it's a part of our brochures. However, I would like to just underscore one little thing. For the UPA government, and for all of us who organized this extravaganza. And this is not the first time that it is happening, it is the 44th time it is being done. We essentially do so to celebrate the spirit of films. So therefore, we have friends from India and friends from abroad in order to celebrate and commemorate this occasion. Of course, in the sense that there is a need to upgrade infrastructure. But you know, there has to be a balance. The fact is that often what happens is that you create permanent infrastructure and then you are not able to use it for the rest of the year. So you have to find a modus vivendi whereby there is appropriate infrastructure, but it is adaptable so that it can be used for the remaining part of the year, so that it can pay for itself. So therefore, we are not trying to impose on the government of Goa that you should do X, 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 X. What we expect from the government of Goa, and they've been delivering, you know, is a degree of partnership, is a degree of cooperation. And you know, I would like to you know, place it on record that yes, the government of Goa has been attempting to whatever best they can.
Just want to give you a little highlights of this festival. That the total number of films in this festival are likely to be about 328 films, out of which the foreign films account for about 171 and the Indian films are 157. The number of countries that are participating are roughly about 75. This is a historic number of entries that have been received. Overall, I think more than 10,000 entries have already been received this year. The World Cinema section would have 10 packages offering a combination of contemporary and classic cinema from around the world.
Before Central Committee comes to Goa for the inspection of Lucifonia Games, one more time inspection will be done at the Mapsa Padam ground on 5th December. Informed Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. He was speaking after visiting Padam ground at Mapsa. Gautam Shirodkar report from Mapsa.
Now I think I can express satisfaction. We'll do the final checking one more around 5th of December before they come. This is penultimate inspection or checking the facility. But I think because of rain there was slight delay, but they have picked up.
85,000 square meters सोडण्यात सरकाराक दिल्या आणि सरकारान म्हटलेले की हांगासर एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट जाता ते गांवकारांक फर्स्ट प्रेफरन्स दितले म्हणून.
We'll fulfill that.
बरं. सरकारान सांगला ते करता म्हणून आम्ही. ते सीएमन पर्सनली एश्युरन्स दिला की हांगासर ते कामांक लोक लागतले पळय ते या भागातले आणि समजाचे गांवकार बरं ते लागतले कामांक.
As you all are aware that for Lucifonia Games they are going to create world-class infrastructure, and this is one of the infrastructure where we are standing at present. This is obviously indoor stadium, as you can make out. The total project cost for this stadium is 46 crores. Now by 30th of November, most of the things should be ready. Now this particular venue will host 4 different disciplines: judo, taekwondo, wushu and table tennis. And for that we'll have specialized flooring. The maple wood flooring would be laid here. It will be world-class infrastructure. The total seating capacity of this stadium is around 2,400.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
जी फुलां काल देवाच्या पांयाकडे आशिल्ली त्या फुलांनी आज तू त्याच देवाची भुई वाडटा. उदकान उडयल्ले प्लास्टीक आमच्यो दर्या देगो पळय कितले बुरश्यो करता.
Under Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Control Act 1996, littering of public places with garbage shall be punished with imprisonment for a term of which may extend to a month, or with fine which may extend to ₹5,000, or with both. Persons in possession of unlabeled and or plastic carry bags less than 40 microns shall be prosecuted under Environment Protection Act 1986.
Presenting Goa's biggest family restaurant and bar. well-defined ambiance that suits every age. Serving authentic Goan and Mugg cuisine. A perfect place to celebrate every remarkable moment. Your all-time hunger satisfied here. Casa Bosle, above Cafe Bosle, near National Theatre, Panaji, Goa.
Lucky Enterprises Wholesale and Retail Shop. Designer sarees, designer salwar kameez, salwar suits, kurti, leggings, nighty and cotton collection. Shop number 1 and 2, Sweet Home Symphony, near New Railway Bridge, Margam, Goa. Contact 9158057860, 9673497222. Lucky Enterprises.
Bye, Anu.
तू किती पळयता केन्ना पळोवना म्हाका
हे मोठे प्रॉब्लेम गॅसीचे सगळी लोकां त्रास गॅसी लागून आतां गोंयकारांनी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जावन हे गॅसी प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करपाचे नाजाल्यार सगळे गोंयकार गॅसीचे पडटले.
सो तुम्ही पळोवपाक विसरनाका योकार आमी गोंयकार आडयेकाचे.
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? घेव नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आनी हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आनी धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Welcome back. 5 shops were found broken and burgled at Valmiki Colony, Baina, and goods worth ₹25,000 were stolen from the shop. The incident came to light at the wee hours on Wednesday, when one of the shop owner found his shop shutter was broken. Vasco police is investigating into this matter. Kiran Borkar report from Vasco.
रात को हम लोग को 3 बजे फ़ोन किया, 3:30 बजे इधर दुकान चोरी हो गया बोल के. बाद में इधर आया हम लोग 3:30 बजे, देखा तो हमारा भी शटर टूटा था, बाजू वाला 2 शटर टूटा था और सामने का 2 शटर टूटा था. अंदर से सामान तो कुछ नहीं गया, लेकिन बाजू वाले का जो चिल्लर था, थोड़ा चेंज था, वो पैसा गया, खाली सामान कुछ नहीं गया. तो था इसलिए अगर उस तरह के सामान देखने गया तो 50,000 का था.
50,000 आपके यहाँ पे ना, और बाकी के शॉप में कितना?
बाकी शॉप में तो और ज़्यादा था. इधर एनबी ट्रेडर है, इनका तो कम से कम रहेगा लाखों में. टोटल कितना शॉप? टोटल 500.
4 का शटर बैंड किया था.
4 का शटर बैंड किया, 5वां हुआ नहीं.
एक अटेम्प्ट.
फिर आपके इधर आके हमको वो लिख के लेके गया ना.
आपने दिया?
हाँ, लिख के लेके साइन मार के दिया कि क्या गया क्या नहीं गया पूछा, तो लिख के लेके, इसलिए हम लोग कंप्लेंट देने नहीं गए.
आपने लिख के दिया?
हाँ, लिख के दिया है.
In tragic incident at Birla Zuari Nagar Market, 7 shops gutted into fire in wee hours on Wednesday at 3:30. 3 vegetable shops, 1 general store, 1 electrical shop and 2 spices shops were gutted into fire, causing loss of 4 lakhs rupees. Causes of fire is not known. After receiving the call, fire brigade official rushed into the site and managed to bring fire under control. Kiran Borkar report from Vasco.
3:15 सुमारे. किती म्हणून कॉल आयलो मार्केटाक उजो पेटला जुवारी. कितली शॉपां जवळ 7 शॉपां उजो लागला. देखून कसली भाजयेची आसा? भाजयेची आसा, एक इलेक्ट्रीक स्टोर कसो आसा, फॅन, मिक्सचर, ते शॉप आसा. अरावंड कितलो लॉस आसतलो? अरावंड लॉस आमी अजून हें करूंक ना, पूण एप्रोक्सिमेटली 3 लाख आसा. 3-3.5 लाख. सर अशें आयकपाक आयलां की फॉल प्ले आसा ह्या उज्या फाटल्यान, कोणी मुद्दम लायला तेजें कांय आयडिया ना. पुलीस कंप्लेन बी जाल्या? पुलीस कंप्लेन जाल्या. पुलिशे कडेन आमी रिपोर्ट मारला.
सिक्युरिटी वायज काय ना. ॲक्च्युली हें पयलीं फिश मार्केट आहलें. प्रत्येकान हाडून गाड्यो उबी केल्या. पयलीं तशी कंप्लेन आहली म्हणून आमी पयर इन्स्पेक्शन करून घेवन गेल्या. हांगसार कितें जालां, प्रत्येक जाण म्हागे गाडो तुगे गाडो हें चल्लें आहा, झगडी चल्लें आहा. सो ताका लागून आतां पंचायत डिसिजन घेवन हांव प्रॉपर तांकां सेटलमेंट करून दिता. कितें हितून कितें जालां, तो 2-3 जाण आनी कोण आहा आमगे हांगचो जो आतां सद्या उजो लागलो आहा ते सायडीक जे ऑक्युपाय केला, एकट्यान व्हडले लुगार ऑक्युपाय केला आनी ताका कांय लायसन ना, ट्रेड लायसन ना, कांय ना बिंदास. आतां हितून ही जी नांवां दिता हितून कितली बोगस आहा ती म्हाका खबर ना. कित्याक प्रत्येक जाण येता आपलें नांव दिता. आमी पयर सर्वे करून गेल्यार 2-3 नांव येयल्लीं जेंगे कंप्लेन आयली दुकाना लागून, तेंची नांव घेवन आमी आयज तांकां नोटीस काडपा. कित्याक जे तरेन हांगसर चल्लें आहा तो धंदो सारको न्हू. कितें ओके, इलिगल घरां तुमी बांदली ती बांदली, इलिगल घरां तुमकां सगळें दिलें फॅसिलिटी. आतां हें मार्केटूय इलिगल जावपा लागला. हें टोटल फीश मार्केट. आतां एनक्रोचमेंट करून तें फीश मार्केट आयलें, नुस्तेकाले इल्लोसो लुगार दवरलो थंय मुखार. काल ते नुस्तेवाले विचारलें, बाबा म्हणलें तुमच्या लुगार घेतो. ते म्हणल्यार आमकां दुखू हांगा घातला, दादागिरी करता. आनी ही दादागिरी अशी चलपाना.
45-year-old man from Kasai Dodmarg allegedly murdered his 40-year-old wife at Latambasam, Bicholim on Monday. This accused was staying in a hut at Bicholim with his wife and son. Son tried to search for his mother and later lodged a complaint in police station and informed about the continuous arguments and fight between their parents. After the search was carried out by DYSP Gajanan Prabhudesai, they found the body at isolated place and found blood samples at the crime site. Sudesh Maikar report from Bicholim.
We have registered a murder case based on the complaint filed by Mr. Manohar Ketkar for allegedly murdering his mother at Latfe. We have recovered the dead body of his mother, Manisha Ketkar, and we are investigating into. Information is complaint filed by Mr. Manoj Ketkar. Chat and file केला त्याचा complaint. Presently his father is absconding. We are investigating into.
पप्पाने म्हाका फोन करून सांगले तुझ्या माझ्या आवयक मारले म्हणून 7:30 सुमार. आईन म्हाका विचारले न्हू आई माझी खंय आहा म्हणून, तेन्ना तेणी सरळ सांगले तुझ्या आवयक हांवें मारून उडयली म्हणून. आनी हेच्या फुडें कांय जास्त तेंकां सांगूंक ना. मागीर आमी सारके फोन बी करताले तूं खंय आसा म्हणून. हे आसतालेच न्हू पुलीस, तेंकां लागून फोन करताले. लाडपे मुखार म्हणून सांगले. दुर्गेच्या भितर या म्हणून सांगले. जागा सांग. आई सकाळी 5:00 भायर सरलो सकाळचो. आनी आई जेणी 10 आपोवन घेतलेली काय ना. आई पयली आमदाराकडे कामाक आसली एका शिरोड्या. झगडी तशी जास्त करून जावंक नसली. अंकलांक घेवन येयलो, घेवन एड्रेस सांगलो. बापायनच सांगलो डायरेक्ट एड्रेस. पुलिसां वांगडा आमचो बापूय उलयलो. आयनूच फोन केला म्हणून सांगला मारले तेका म्हणून. मनोज मनोहर केतकर. धाटवाडी.
3 suspects including Omkar Palekar with other 2 Prajot Dabolkar and Prayag Palekar arrested by Mapsa police on Tuesday morning. The main suspect in the murder case of Nigerian nationality Abodo Ozoma Simeon. After getting information about this suspect coming close to St. Anthony High School at Duler, Mapsa police made plans succeeded in nabbing them under the leadership of DYSP Sarafin Dias and Inspector Tushar Verenikar. This suspect were absconding since 30th October. Mapsa police had earlier arrested Suresh Paul on 5th November and Praveen Manrekar on 7th November. Still 8 suspects are absconding in this case. Gautam Shirodkar report from Mapsa. More news will follow after a short commercial break.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
She was suffering from thyroid. She had prayed to the Lord, and without taking a single tablet, she is healed, she says. She did her 3rd blood test. Thyroid is absolutely normal.
Since 1.5 years she had a vertigo problem. When she came for the meeting, God spoke to her and healed her.
शुक्रवारा 22 नोव्हेंबर 2013 सम्राट गार्डन्स पाटोडा मारगाव आणि वेळ जावन आसा दनपारां 3 वरां ते 6 वरां पर्यंत.
Uncle's Kitchen, Chinese and multi-cuisine restaurant. After a 27-year service in Mumbai, now at Amonkar's Boutique Hotel, Miramar, Goa. Also One Up Lounge Bar, serving Indian and foreign beverages with dancing lights and DJ music. Thrown open for public from 20th November at Amonkar's Boutique Hotel, Miramar, Panji. Uncle's Kitchen and One Up Lounge Bar.
सांबावचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबावतलो.
राखपाक गोंयची सोबीतकाय कोण वावुरतलो.
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
हांव सांबावचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबावतलो.
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजी आनी कोणूच न्हय, आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात.
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण रिजवतलो.
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा, पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आनी जबाबदारी आसा.
हांव सांबावचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबावतलो.
राखपा गोंयची सोबीतकाय कोण वावुरतलो.
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो. कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
Welcome back. On the demand of local people, street lights have been put up on both sides of highway from Green Park to Sangolda Junction, said Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar. Due to the stray cattle moving on the way, many accidents took place before. Hence, there was need for this light, he added. Gautam Shirodkar report from Girim.
ग्रीन पार्क जंक्शन टू परवरी वेताळा देवस्थान पर्यंत ह्या रस्त्याक रुंदीकरण करून खुबशे दीस जाल्ले, पण ह्या वाठारांतले गिरवडच्या लोकांची आनी परवरच्या लोकांचे मागणी असली की ह्या रस्त्याक लायट जाय, किंवा रातचे जेन्ना लोक सायकलीन मोटरसायकलीन ट्रॅव्हल करता त्या वेळार मोठ्या प्रमाणात जी गोरवां आसा, कॅटल आसा, ही आसार पासर जाता आनी लोक खुबशे एक्सिडंट जाता. उजवड कमी उरता ह्या रस्त्यार, म्हणून लोकांचें म्हणणें असलें की हांगा लायट जाय म्हणून. रस्त्याची दोशी वाटेन जे रस्ते हें आसात, हे दोशी वाटेन म्हणून मदोमद आमचे खांबे घालून रोशनाई केल्ली आसा. म्हाका दिसता लोकांचे हे आमचे पादचारी जे आसात
पांयान चलोन वचपी आसा हेंच्या खातीर ही मोठी परवणी आसा. इतक्याच लागून म्हणटा की खुबशे लोक चलोन इवनिंग वॉक मॉर्निंग वॉक भोंवपी आसा हेंकां हें बरें पडटलें.
Fire Brigade Panaji has brought 6 motorbikes for the convenience of Fire Brigade official during the times of emergency. These motorbikes are essential for every Fire Brigade official to reach the site as soon as they can. Therefore, all the Fire Brigade department will provide with this motorbike, informed Fire Brigade Chief Officer Ashok Mena. Sanjay Munole report from Panji.
Has just inducted the motorcycle first response vehicle into the Goa Fire and Emergency Services. Initially we have purchased now 6 motorcycle first response, and it will be very useful for the fire and emergency services to go into the bylanes and any congested areas for instant fire extinguishing, and it has got instant water mist and compressed air foam fire extinguishers. Each each motorcycle will have 2 persons with 2 backpacks, and the firefighters are well versed to fight such fires. And every fire station आमी ते इंडक्ट करपाक फुडें प्रयत्न करतले.
टोटल कितले गाडयो घेतल्या?
आता सध्या 6 आसा आनी आता गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन वचून आता बाकीचे फायर स्टेशन जे आसा थंय आमी इंडक्ट करपाक प्रयत्न करतले.
The Balrat buses provided by government will not have any problem till 15 to 20 years. Hence, drivers and school children should take care of these buses, said Transport Minister Sudhin Davlikar. He was speaking after handing over Balrat bus to Sri Saraswati High Secondary School, Kollam. Nilesh Naik report from Kollam.
मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर जेन्ना आयले तेन्ना ही योजना एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटाक ट्रान्सफर केली आनी त्या एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आज म्हाका दिसता ज्या कडेन चड भुरगीं आसा तांकां भुरग्याच्या हाज्या प्रमाणे आनी मॅक्झिमम टू 5 बसीस अशें थारायिल्लें आसा. मॅक्झिमम टू 5 बसीस आसल्या कारणान सादारण 350 ते 400 भुरग्यांक एट ए टायम व्हरूंक शकता अशें प्रोविजन केल्लें आसा. आनी त्याच बरोबर प्रत्येक बशी फाटल्यान 1 लाख रुपया अकाउंटाक आसपाक जाय हें कंडिशन घातलां. कन्सिडरींग 100 किलोमिटर्स पर डे 365 is 36,000 किलोमिटर जाता मॅक्झिमम. सो आमी जर हिशोब केलो जाल्यार आजचे वाहन हे सादारण 5 लाख पर्यंत चलूं शकता. म्हणजे 15 ते 20 वर्सां ह्या बशीक कांयच भंय ना.
Before we wind up, here is a recap of today's news headlines. 44th International Film Festival of India was inaugurated on 20th November. State government should work towards increasing infrastructure. Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Manish Tiwari. And one more time, inspection will be done at Mapsa Padam ground on 5th December before Central Committee coming to Goa. Today's news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. Goodbye.